Yo, Elon Gang, man. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Moonbound signing back, man. I'm just here to, share some love, man. Know what I mean? Tell y'all I'm still out here and tell y'all, yeah, I know this shit sucks. It's just taking forever. Like, damn. It's going on forever. Feel like I'm in a cocoon, bro. Feel like I'm going through a transformation. Like this shit is crazy, man. Can we please get a pump, man? Can we please get a pump? But I know we gotta be patient. You gotta stay down till you come up. We have to stay down till we come up, man. We can't just jump onto anything, man. Unless you got the money to DCA and hella projects, yeah, I don't blame you. But my conviction is in Dogelon because I just feel like it's just being held back, and I feel like it's really going to pump once Bitcoin really start moving. Like we didn't retrace all the way back down to our 1500s. Really low. Like we ain't go back down to like a 6 zeros 12, and that's good. You know what I mean? That's good. People still bullish on Elon. That's what I like to see. We just gotta, you know what I mean, take our time. Let's do a little bit technical analysis on our favorite token called Dogelon Mars. It's not looking bad. We're making higher lows. That's a good thing. We're making higher lows. That's on the daily chart. Looking good. I really want to pull up some indicators though. Look at the RSI, stock RSI, and the regular RSI. Alright, so on the regular RSI, we retrace down to that medium area. If we get across, we that should trigger us to go up a little bit higher. On the stock RSI, we're entering oversold territory, and that's on the daily, but I'd rather go to the monthly. On the monthly, on the stock RSI, we dropped below the medium, heading into oversold territory. The RSI, on the regular RSI, we're still on the medium. Looking at the stock, I feel like we're dropping. I feel like we could see a 19, a 18, or a 17. Let's see, what was that price? 6017. We might see a 6017 and then go back up because the month of June should be bullish. The month of June should be bullish. I could be wrong, but I would definitely. This is the monthly chart. You feel me? I think in June, I would definitely probably DCA with these 20s, or a 17, a 19, or 18, just to cover your bases. On the weekly, we just crossed. Look like we're going to be going higher. On the regular RSI, we still ain't crossed, so we might chop around this week. We might chop around and go lower, actually. Yeah, this is the daily stock RSI. We might go lower. Might go lower. Yeah, it looks like we're going to go lower this week, you guys. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick, because we already know what Bitcoin do. We do. If I can hit the right John. All right, we got Bitcoin up 2% on the day. On the week, up 1%. I guess this is a consolidation phase. For the week, for the month, up 16% on the month. So Bitcoin is still being bullish. Is this a pump out? Is this a fake out? Like, I feel like we should get like another dip like we had back here, you know. But on the daily, we did start with this green candle. But we have so much resistance. If we can't break through 70K, I feel like we're going to be pushed back down to at least 67. I feel like we're going to be pushed back down to 67, or at least 61. You know, mid low 60s. I feel like if we can't break past 70, 71, 72K and hold, we're going to be pushed back down, in my personal. You know, none of this is financial advice. It's just what I feel like is going to happen. None of this is financial advice. Indicators. On the RSI, on the regular RSI, we're extremely we're entering overbought territory. And on the stock RSI, we're in overbought territory and going down. Yeah, this is just a fake out. We're definitely going to go down. Unless it does something like this and go higher. But other than that, I feel like we're gonna consolidate like something like this and go back, you know, and just go back down a little bit. Let's go back down a little bit. On the weekly oversold on the RSI, I mean on the weekly overbought on the RSI. It looks like it could, nah, I mean it could cross again, but we gotta wait and see. I guess, you know, that's on the weekly though. Let me go to the monthly. I feel more comfortable on the monthly. On the monthly, yeah, overbought, but we could get across. It looks like the monthly looks similar to the weekly. The weekly is saying we're going to cross and go higher. We could cross and go higher, actually. That's the crazy part. And it's saying we're overbought. I mean, we're oversold on the stock RSI. It's saying we're oversold on the stock RSI, and we could go higher. But the way that blue line is curling down, I feel like we're going to cross and go lower. And for the monthly stock RSI, looks we already crossed. We're going lower, and we're way up here on the RSI overbought. So if we cross, we're gonna go lower. So I feel like this a little shakeout. But yeah, y'all, like, nah, I mean, just yo, like, this is shakeouts come in many forms. Like, you know, you could just get tired of holding the token because it's not doing what you wanted to do. You just want to get your money out. But I'm gonna tell you, like, listen, man, like, we don't all we have is time anyway. You know what I mean? Like, why invest in something that you don't believe in? Now if it really don't do good, or you start losing money in that token, you're probably going to sell, get discouraged, and just be done with crypto anyway. Like, just, you know, just growing these markets, have some patience. This is going to teach you patience, or else, like, nah, I mean, if you can't have patience, might as well go get you a trading bot or something like that. Or just, I don't know, if you really don't have patience, just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, because, you know, they're always going to be around. They're always going to do good. They're always going to go up. But, you know, if you looking for that life changing wealth, Elon is that token for me. I know it's taking long. I know other things are doing better than us right now, but in the long scheme of things, I bet a lot of people said that about Dogecoin. I bet a lot of people said that about Shiba Inu, and look where they're at. Nothing is promised, but I know with the market cap of Dogelon being a well-known and established cryptocurrency, with, you know, Rufus Chain supposed to be dropping in June. Rufus Chain is on the way. Should be dropping in June. The test network. We still wait on this Binance listing. I just feel like everything is lining up for us, but things are so boring that this is when people just drop off, just because it's boring, just because they've been holding for a couple months, and and it didn't rip yet. Listen, I've been here through a hack, y'all, and that was the last thing that I thought was going to happen. I ain't gonna hold you. I feel like that was going to be that was the least of my worries, but it happened. And like now, I mean, we're still here, yo. At least I am, and I'm gonna stay here through the test of time, and I'm gonna get this financial wealth. And I know it's gonna happen this bull run. Don't worry about the naysayers saying it's never gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's just gonna take a little bit of time, y'all. Like, you feel me? Like, you see where we at. Like, look at every other halving. It took damn near a year to get to the tops, and they went through a whole lot of sideways action, a whole lot of fake pumps. I feel like we're in the same circumstance. That just gives us more time to get our bags up. And considering that we're dropping right now, you feel me? We're going back into oversold territory. Is about to be another opportunity to buy in, because we could have a pump going into June and July, just to go into higher levels. You feel me? But as you see, we could always go to higher levels and just go back to where we were. You feel me? Up and down type stuff. You feel me? Just now, I mean, I'm here, y'all. Like, you feel me? We all here. We all going through this together. Just know that you're not alone. You feel me? And when we get this financial freedom, we gonna be lit. We're going to do what we need to do. But until then, we gotta put in the groundwork, DCA, hold, and keep the faith. All right, y'all. It's your boy Moonbound signing off. Everyone have a nice Monday. One.